Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to unmute notes on Instagram. Whether you muted them by accident or just want to start seeing those updates again, we have got you covered. So let's start the video. First, let's open the Instagram app on your phone and head over to the profile whose notes you want to unmute. So this is the profile. To unmute the notes in Instagram, tap on the following button. A menu will appear with several options. Tap on mute. Here you will see options to mute posts, stories and notes. You can notice that the toggle switch next to notes is in on position. Blue color indicates that it's muted. To unmute their Instagram notes, simply toggle the switch next to notes to off position by tapping on it. It's in off position now. Now you will start seeing updates from this account again in your notes. So that's how to unmute notes in Instagram. Thanks for watching.